The 2024 Renault Clio E-Tech Full Hybrid Alpine Esprit is a new special edition model that has been added to the French automaker's popular hatchback range. The Esprit is based on the top-of-the-range E-Tech Full Hybrid RS line trim level, but it gets a number of unique styling and equipment features that make it stand out from the crowd. On the outside, the Esprit gets a more aggressive front bumper with larger air intakes, as well as a black grille and side skirts. The car also rides on 17-inch alloy wheels with a dark finish. At the rear, there is a new diffuser and a roof-mounted spoiler. The Esprit is available with a single engine, a 1.6-liter four-cylinder petrol engine that is paired with 2 electric motors and a lithium-ion battery pack. The combined output of the system is 145 brake horsepower, and the car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 9.5 seconds. The Esprit is also capable of returning up to 57.3 mpg in the combined cycle. Inside, the Esprit gets a number of upgrades over the standard E-Tech Full Hybrid RS line, including Alcantara upholstery on the seats and dashboard, as well as red stitching and trim. The car also gets a leather-wrapped steering wheel and gear knob, as well as a Bose sound system. It is equipped with a multi-mode automatic gearbox. This gearbox allows the driver to select from different driving modes, including Eco, Normal, and Sport. The car is fun and agile to drive. The electric motors provide instant torque, which makes the car feel responsive and quick off the mark. The Esprit is also capable of handling corners well, thanks to its well-tuned suspension. The 2024 Renault Clio E-Tech Full Hybrid Alpine Esprit is a stylish and sporty special edition model that offers a number of unique features over the standard E-Tech Full Hybrid RS line. It is sure to appeal to buyers who are looking for a more distinctive and exciting hatchback. The 2024 Renault Clio's updated design language and advanced technology make it a strong competitor against segment rivals such as the Volkswagen Polo, Skoda Fabia, and SEAT Ibiza. Its redesigned front fascia and reworked interior showcase Renault's commitment to continuous improvement, ensuring that the Clio remains a top choice for customers seeking a versatile and stylish city car. The introduction of the Esprit Alpine trim demonstrates Renault's dedication to innovation and meeting the diverse needs of its customer base. By combining sporty aesthetics, advanced technology, and a comfortable driving experience, the Esprit Alpine trim adds another layer of appeal to an already successful model lineup. In conclusion, the new Renault Clio is a shining example of the brand's ability to adapt and innovate to maintain its position in the competitive city car market. With its striking design, enhanced technology, and diverse powertrain options, the Clio is set to remain a favorite among customers for years to come. This new iteration of the iconic city car perfectly embodies the spirit of the Renaulution, making it a true symbol of progress and versatility for drivers worldwide. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.